My name is Tatiana. I'm 10 years old. I'm in 4th grade, and my favorite subject is science. Family Promise of South Palm Beach County helped my family when we had to move out of our home. Family Promise helped us in so many ways by giving us a safe, clean place to sleep, food, and friendship. Now we live in our own home, and Mom and Dad are working. The things I remember most are all of the friends that I made, like some of the volunteers, Mrs. Koki, Jerry, Halim, Z, Linda, and many more. At each congregation, there was a private room for my family and I to stay in. My favorite place to stay was most likely St. Paul's. There was great food, awesome volunteers, and in our room there was a pool table and a huge TV. I think that all the volunteers were very nice to make delicious dinners for us and play with us when we were bored. What I like to say is a thank you to all of Family Promise. If you will be willing to please send a donation to our One Night Away fundraiser so that it will go to a family that needs a home like I did. Thank you.